Hello. So this is my Windswept project that I started 2 years ago. Today I'm going to refine it, or it is already refined. And today's video is about that process. I also have a playlist where you can see how this started 2 years ago and how it evolved to be what it is today. Stick around if you want to see how I did this. So I'm going to start by cleaning out some of the stuff that is growing here and that is unwanted. And I'm also going to remove the wire from my previous session. And I'm going to skip this part on video. I think that I already have enough videos with the unwire process. You can either cut or unwire. It's getting warm in Portugal. I think it's around 30 Celsius. And during the week, especially during this part of the year, summer or early summer, where the days get longer, I'm able to do this when I return from the office. But I couldn't do this during the day because it's too hot. And if necessary, I will rewire it again. We'll see. Okay, so let's see what I'm going to do here. The ones that are pointing directly down, they don't contribute to the movement, to the wind blow. So I'm getting rid of it. Okay, I believe that I'm done. Drop a line, leave a comment. Enjoy your week. Take care and see you next weekend. Bye bye.